Hi there, let's take a look at Hedera. I'll start with the weekly chart to show you the Wyckoff market structure, then zoom into the daily chart for the shorter term setup. This is education content only, not financial advice. From a Wyckoff perspective, Hedera is currently in the selling climate stage of the accumulation cycle. Typically, it is range bound in this cycle. And the most important weekly support level currently is the light blue key level of 0.06. The most important resistance is the 0.077. Okay, that's the range that's been bounding the price actions for the past 6 weeks. And it's also the mid-range of the previous accumulation cycle back in 2022 to 2024. From a volume perspective, it is at a very low level. It continues to stay very low. Okay, no paper hand selling, no big commitments from the blues either. And from a short-term setup perspective, we talked about this downtrend previously, right? And the past few days, it has been a fake out. And then now it is re-entering the decision point. Last week, we talked about July 30th. Okay, it may be the date that it confirms that it is going to break outside of the downtrend. But these few days is proving that this is a very weak force from the bulls. Okay, currently it is testing this level of 0.068. And it still hasn't decided whether it is going to go out or is it going to stay. The 2C's decision, either continuation with the downtrend or a change of trend, may be turning sideways or establishing a new uptrend. That's the subsequent actions. Immediate decision point is in 2 days. Either it truly breaks outside of the downtrend, staying above 0.68, or head down to challenge the next support level of 0.063. That's the situation for Hedera. If you're interested to access these sessions 2 days earlier, like the current channel members, join them now. See you in the next one. Thank you.